In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your Google Finance portfolio. For those of you looking to keep a close eye on your investments, Google Finance provides a comprehensive yet user-friendly platform to monitor market trends, individual stock performances, and so much more. Let's dive right in and get your portfolio up and running. The first step in accessing your Google Finance portfolio is quite simply to navigate to Google Finance. You can do this by typing www.google.com/finance into your browser's address bar. Once you've arrived at the home page, you'll notice it's designed with simplicity and ease of use in mind, offering a wealth of financial information at your fingertips. Next, you need to sign into your Google account to personalize your finance experience. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will redirect you to the Google login page if you are not already signed in on your device. It's a smooth and straightforward process. It's then time to choose which Google account you want to use for Google Finance. If you have multiple accounts, this step is crucial to ensure that your financial data is saved and accessible to the right profile. Google will prompt you to select the account you prefer to use. Should more than one be detected, after selecting your Google account, you will be prompted to enter your password. Security and privacy are paramount, especially when dealing with financial information, so Google ensures that access to your account is protected by your unique password. Type it in carefully and proceed to the next step by clicking Next. Having successfully authenticated, you'll be returned to the Google Finance homepage. Your next step is to locate your portfolio. To do this, go to the first square section on the right of the home page. If you're accessing Google Finance for the first time, or if you haven't yet set up a portfolio, this area will guide you to where you can begin creating your personalized portfolio. For now, let's assume you already have a portfolio created. Within this section, you'll see an option or a snapshot related to your portfolio. Click on this area to open up your portfolio. This step is your gateway to a detailed view of your investments, showcasing individual stocks, assets, and performance metrics over time. Viewing your Google Finance portfolio provides a comprehensive snapshot of your investments. Here you can track the performance of stocks you're interested in, set up watch lists, get personalized news and market trends affecting your investments, and much more. It's an invaluable tool for anyone looking to stay on top of their financial game. Let's touch on some additional tips to enhance your Google Finance experience. 1. Make sure your browser is up to date to ensure the best performance and security of Google Finance. 2. Take advantage of Google Finance's customization options, whether it's creating multiple portfolios, customizing alerts, or diving deep into the market news relevant to your investments. There's a lot you can do to make Google Finance work just for you. Finally, remember that staying informed and proactive is key to managing your investments effectively. Google Finance is a powerful tool in your arsenal for doing just that, offering a bird's eye view of the market's fluctuations and potential opportunities. By following these steps, you should now have your Google Finance portfolio open and be well on your way to tracking and managing your investments more effectively. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Google Finance offers a flexible and rich platform to keep you informed and in control of your financial destiny. And that wraps up our guide on how to open your Google Finance portfolio. Remember, keeping an eye on your investments regularly and staying informed about market trends is crucial in the world of investing. With Google Finance, you have a comprehensive tool at your disposal to do just that. Happy investing, and see you in our next video.